Aha! All right. Well, welcome to the Paddy show as usual. And of course, your guy, your every, your correct one and only, or boss baby. You know, at this year. Any which way, I just the tire one kind tire because that's I don't do too much working over the week. But like this now, I send my girl go message. Some days it be like that. You know, one person will go hustle for the other person. You know, so I get my guy, my G, fellow comedian, he go be my guest today, my guest presenter today on top of the show. As usual, Lucky Child day in the building. Together with me, we go run the entire package. Lucky.
Honestly spoken, yes, now we don't show to run the package to Ogbolo. Ogbolo, they talk say you do something over the weekend, you tire. You know, talk the direct way.
No. I don't do too much. You understand? Now work aside the work,
now
office work.
You don't use the word work before.
No, I say over the week I don't work where.
You don't use work.
Which I talk?
You say you do something so you make it.
I not say I do anything. You know they listen. What's wrong to you? You listen
no
to
problem.
me.
Thank God, say people will listen. So Ogbolo work over the week.
Yes.
For the week. Because send Mayowa on a mission for the week when you week.
Okay. Oh. Now you you can't tell us that thing now. No, come on, come on. This is not Bobosi, huh? Come on, what's wrong with you? No.
Oh, joy.
Now they walk. You ain't got to make a start. That's what men think they trouble.
I tell you.
Don't lie. I can't say she just come on go walk, you know, because I don't tire one can tell. They go say, hey! So you want me to come up for us, Abi? No, it's like that.
Okay.
But any which way, we now come on top Paddy show, and then the show don't start like this. Friday, my work get plan. Let me get the happy scenes. Say one thing. Now make me send a go message. Say you see what you got, I will spoil your plan for you. Anyway, she go there on Monday, God willing, and then we'll go run everything, okay? So we don't start the show like this. So quickly, we'll go on this break. By the time we come back, we start every on top of the yarn. So kind of sweet gist down front like this.
Plenty.
So me and Lucky Child go there here, go run the whole package. No go anywhere. We
stay there. Go press the button.
Just.
Okay, now do me, I do you.
Yeah, but the woman not to do and I need cap if I come on. I don't know, it's not me. I go beat Shege. I don't want to know whether that this thing they go up. I go climb.
I want to about that step. I don't forget the name. Moving steps, elevator. Something later.
You can't make a forget that. Escalator.
Oh, why you get brain? Let me tell you again.
Escalator.
You're brainy. You know, the woman they try one come down. The escalator they carry her go back. And she won't execute that action.
She said no. For her mind. If I catch this guy, I go kill him. If I catch him, I go chop him. He should take him. That's why. That's the reason why sometimes they say just make sure say you always dey fit.
Yes.
She did like big. Everything they shake. Big.
It even affect the escalator.
And now they find so please. But now me, you have to fly that thing. I go beat.
If you fly me a window, because that escalator they.
No, make a window, but I must wound that guy. For I did TV. Sorry. No, I just jump. I just go tell and say what you're doing is wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong. Now the woman, whether that woman be clown or not that clown be clown, no go know.
The guy don't laugh for those embarrassing.
The guy don't pour those. The woman can't look like with them makeup.
The woman, and now 2 times too.
2 days.
Boom! You know the boom! Hey!
No, those Yoruba video them. I witchcraft laugh without.
All those laugh, but I start go ask this question. Why those wish them? If they just start, they have to laugh. They get comedian for them.
Comedian and the producer are comedian.
No, I should say one of the wish be comedian.
Okay, the best entertainment.
That one for crack joke. They can start. Okay, action. Why they always laugh? That laugh, eh? They always...
Naturally,
Make them sing, make them sing.
Yeah, they sing.
Or make they just do something
Or
else.
make them pray.
They help pray.
Say now we want to go on the mission to go and...
Don't be laugh. You always laugh this time. We crack joke for
Because signature.
All right, so quickly
When
now.
you try to be saved, they invite you to go perform, there you go.
For the...
As a comedian.
No, you get some kind of package witchcraft place. Where they go do some kind of things.
Eh.
If they say one kind of money, I go. they take it.
My guy go shop wish, come back.
No, I'm not going to shop anything.
Not try go.
They say, please, you can't drink. I don't want to drink. You can't chop. So no.
I just want to make you laugh and leave.
Juice. No. Make I crack my joke, they go. And pay my money. Thank you very much.
Very important.
Laugh. I say laugh, they laugh.
Yan the yan.
Yan the yan. Coming now. Yan it.
Yeah. Initiate you.
No, they cannot initiate.
They must initiate you.
No way.
Well.
Okay, my own first gist, quickly, and then after back to back, we'll do the whole thing. Big.
Yeah.
This thing I don't first think am before, and now I don't hear say it don't happen. For one hotel, now for Obloibo it happen. One particular woman, Harmony Hache, 23 years old. She said she just enter one hotel for that side though. Say maybe she just go DOK for 3 days.
Okay.
Now she just come out like cloth, come dey for bedroom.
Okay.
Say maybe she just wash small of her things.
Okay.
So when they wash, now she just look up. You just notice it for one angle for there. One thing they look am.
Hey.
Now she near the thing and she just look am. She's in a camera.
And she dey on
And
a complete birthday
oh,
cloth.
the way they take burn am on her birthday suit.
On her birthday suit.
Eh?
Okay.
Then they can't trace the wire. She can't go carry cloth, weird, do everything. They can't trace the wire. You know who put this thing for them?
Who?
The caretaker for the hotel. the caretaker put her for that. Say, make her just dey alright. You know, anybody who just enter here say, make her just dey watch her from here. If na couple now, they feel just need to arrange herself. Make her just dey look the dey alright where I dey. Very bad thing.
Very bad thing.
Eh?
Very
see
bad
the
thing.
woman. The woman come say, say she feel like
The woman fine, no.
nah. See where
See where camera dey?
See where they hang camera for Koro.
Oh, this woman, I believe say she be surveillance worker. That's why she
For she don't notice the thing, abi? But me, I don't think this
Because
thing
like you,
before
if you
sef.
notice.
I feel no notice, oh.
I feel no notice.
I feel no notice.
So how you go notice that in a camera? I go notice maybe now one of the shower where it's spoiled.
You understand?
Hi.
But the woman, they can't report, go give the receptionist, they can't call manager, everybody. But luckily, say for her, now her first night.
Okay.
So the
call
time they
the
come see
phone.
the thing, you got never did the record.
Oh!
You never did record anything yet. But the guy, so he just put her there. The day all right. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Hey, but that man is very bad.
Very bad somebody.
After they don't pay for your place where you they give out as accommodation, you
come
can't they
with-
collect some things.
Yeah, now,
like visualizing.
Now extra
pay.
extra
Extra charge.
We they call an hashtag ADA. You understand? Acquired devilish. I'll put devilish now. Acquired devilish ability.
That is Ada.
ADA, yes.
ADA.
ADA.
Oh, so if your name
Hashtag
is
Ada.
Ada.
No call Ada join. No.
Okay, Ada.
Just ADA. Make no cause quarrel. But for this one now, at the end of the day, police say they will hold the guy for the whole matter. Okay. The manager now don't come and talk different things. They say, they don't say, we are sorry and everything. The man say, no, I feel molested. I feel used. I feel that they can't bring English. Plenty English, but without God, they don't grab the whole thing. So you like this, if you go any hotel,
yes.
Look well.
Look well.
Look well.
Look well.
If you go put camera for one place, they scope you. When they want to clean for money, you go carry the thing, go look. They're very, very careful.
Look well.
And all like they say now, enter inside bedroom, go they do some kind of things.
Look well.
Be careful.
Careful.
Be very careful.
Careful.
Because anything can happen.
Anything.
If you go run your film for outside, only go buy the film one day there. Because the can also watch. You know that? Namio. Me and Julie. We don't popular. You don't see the film.
Popular.
I'll send and give you. Don't see yourself. Hey. So please be careful. Be careful. All right, next gist.
Let me laugh. Yes, next gist. This one happened for inside Lagos State here for
Las Gidi.
Festac Town. They say Lagos State Police Command
Yeah.
don't raid criminal hideout inside Festac.
Yeah.
Yes, they notice say for that Festac and the environs, many criminal activities they go on. So the Nigerian police can't gather themselves together. They can't do what they call intelligence-driven raid.
Intelligence-driven raid. Yeah. Let me say
They use their sense.
They
go
use their
raid down.
sense. They still they map the whole thing. They draw like this. Area C. No, area C. No.
All the area.
23 close, 24 close, 44 close.
B close, C close.
C close, A close, B close.
And you know what good thing happen? As they use this intelligent way to do this raid, they can catch like 20 male suspects. Good record.
20 mil.
20 male suspects.
They try.
Yes, because all this way they happen, the lawlessness where they among Okada riders and all the hoodlums where they the area, they don't make sure say they color beat them. As I tell you now, they say they carry 72 motorcycle.
72.
72 motorcycle plus 20 mil. So if you come out 20 mil from 72 motorcycle, how many mil?
Oh, man. Now some kind of say 50.
Kind 52.
Hey. Oh boy, but it's shall good because Festac on your own, Festac be like stateside Lagos.
Yes.
Festac on your own.
Yeah.
It just like stateside Lagos. Everything they inside there.
Everything.
So
Every
both
try
good they inside though. At the same time, bad side
day,
inside
yeah.
there. But well,
So that's our Nigerian police. Well, kudos to them.
Yes.
Kudos to them. If they do this kind of intelligence trade, well, it go help. By now, Boko Haram for no now.
but make we just say that one go take
Yeah,
because that one their own another level.
You know, say that area they stay.
Festac side.
Yeah, they stay Satellite Town.
You know far now.
No, so while I was passing that night, I see like 3 vans, these Black Maria vans, full of people. So we are there. When they say, "What happen now?" So them catch up. Now somebody come they talk say, now Okada riders them majorly 9 days inside there.
And you say
So they really do enough raiding.
Enough raiding.
Enough raiding.
Now good one.
Yeah.
Even the Lagos State Police Commissioner CP Fatai Owo saying we should use the opportunity to inform members of the public say the exercise will continue until the set objective are achieved. Let me say until they catch every bad guy.
The intelligence
For the
driven
full area.
raid, they continue.
Correct one.
Yes.
Our police there now they try.
We kudos to you guys.
Well done. On top of this level now, go quickly for one break. By the time we come back from the break, our hand will not come down. So, we'll go for the break sharply. They come back. All right, now welcome back on top of the whole P like this. We supposed just make our mind just sweet small. Say before we read the next story, say we supposed just give now just this one kind of funny video given.
Yes.
You understand? Now Friday be this. We're not too serious with too many G's.
Yeah.
You understand? So from the back for there, we'll just give now one more funny video, make everybody mind sweet. Then thereafter we'll continue the 2 G's waiting for grand.
Yeah.
So,
Very
we'll
correct.
do that.
Very correct.
So video, take it.
Video.
You understand? Just laugh.
One
small.
laugh. One laugh, you laugh.
Just do all right quickly.
Give
He really sure say yes. He don't observe Nigeria way well. Correct one.
Correct one.
Okay, now we don't laugh small. We can go back to our G's quickly. Not be so. Now, this particular 51-year-old mother, her daughter will be 32 years old. Daughter, you know, she and her husband don't try born, but they don't feel born.
Okay.
You understand? So they can't say she gets some kind of complication for her belly. Until she don't feel born picking normally. Okay. So on a good day, they will carry one person they call surrogate. Where you come put for the corner, can't say okay, husband and wife will carry their husband will bring your own sperm, the woman will carry her own egg. They come put them together, come put inside another person. Another person will carry the pregnancy, come born the picking for them.
Okay.
You understand? So they pay those people. Now they work with that.
Yeah.
Now, but the mama can't look say, she be 51 years old, her pikin 32 years old. You say, you say, they go bring another person.
Can't pay the person.
Can't pay the person. Say, you can't carry belly for her pikin. They say, my pikin, I fit carry your belly now. Now, y'all look, say, okay, wanna bring una 2 things. Oga, bring your thing. Pikin, bring your own egg. They mix them together. They can't put her inside the mama belly. Like joke now. 51-year-old mama, we act as a surrogate for a pikin, don't finally born her own grand pikin for her pikin. Oh, blood.
Oh, good story.
Things they happen for this
Oh,
world.
good story.
She born her own grand pikin
for her pikin. And if you look here at the our own daughter, they resemble.
They resemble.
No
where?
too much difference.
They resemble.
Now they'll be like mate.
So
get as when the pikin go they grow now. Our own daughter can say, oh, kitty. The grandma can say, it's my baby too.
Yeah, now.
The other can say, Hello. The true now call the dog as wife.
Because somehow, surrogates most times they always give clear chance.
Yeah.
But this one are part of family.
Part of family.
So they claim say, we are both your mommy. We are both your mommy.
Yeah, now the picking call they decide now. One is mommy, one is granny.
Exactly.
So mommy, granny, on a two now.
Or they'll say mommy one, mommy two.
Mommy one, mommy two.
But now sweet story.
Now sweet story. Kudos to mama. That's to tell you the love a mother has for daughter. A child, exactly. Whether son or daughter.
But how take? When they even work like this, how take do that for mind? You understand? Because some people go say no, like carry my husband, put inside my mama. No. You know. How take do that for body? But let us know on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Just reach there. Don't let us know how it take switch you for mind or how not take switch you for mind. What you feel say, feel be the wahala or feel be say it good on top. Don't let us know on top the whole thing. All right. So lucky.
Brotherly, yeah, still on the matter where they on ground. OJ Simpson.
Bam.
OJ Simpson, they sad inside prison because all the female fans they don't stop to send them cash. OJ Simpson na NFL star.
Yeah, that year.
For Oyibo abroad, America, get this particular league where they play now sport. So the guy they very popular. But because of some kind of things, they won't go do, you know, Oyibo, they need to take things play.
Yeah, now you say
you commit crime, you go to jail.
No matter how many years later,
you go to jail.
If they catch you, say, now you do this thing. If
you go to
40
jail.
years, you must still go back to that jail.
So OJ Simpson, when he did jail, they said the first years. Now some people, they send out money.
Steady.
They send out steady. Get what they call commissary account for prison. And then they send people money too. If you be prisoner, and then if you take go withdraw money, commissary account.
They do all right for inside prison.
Yes.
At Nigeria prison.
You know, Nigeria only day too.
He did,
yes, but Nigeria only day.
But we know who they collect out.
So the guy now, the reason why he cry out now, he say all the female fans, nobody they send her money again. Oh. The way he be now, he don't rent for this guy. See face, see face. They are no longer sending this man money.
OJ done the old.
The problem we can't deny, you know, say for prison, if they send her money like that, he go come settle all men, so that they live large for prison. So boy. Now when nothing they come in,
you know they worry out.
Fight can't they come in.
Oh.
Now they can't hate each other. Before you know now, this one cause this one, you can't they turn to fight. So as they tell you now, OJ they face hard time inside prison. They say the family they see they support well, but he still miss in female fans where they not agree support him at all.
You know what's happen? He don't first live large life for outside. Now big boy now that year.
Yeah, OJ.
But after they come saying can't kill his wife, they can't carry and go
prison.
They don't first convict him once, so now later they can't convict and final.
Yeah,
can't give him 33 years in prison. You understand? Because that year they thought saying killing wife, we one model like that, one thing. But before they do the whole thing, not be small. That OJ Simpson case, now one of the longest case for Obodo Igbo.
Very long,
but
very long.
Aside that one, he not live one large life for outside. So now he can't live for prison. When it's not going to be like
you want to continue the kind
of continue the life, say say things, but we not say you know
pure.
Some people they see that kind of money they collect for prison
at all.
You understand? So God, please, OJ Simpson, and now they send that money before. I bet when I send that money,
when I send them,
now still that guy.
33 years, plenty inside prison.
Now your guy.
Now as money they come, fight not they happen inside prison.
Yes.
And man don't they touch man. Where they call
So please, before they call they look OJ Simpson say wow, you are very round.
We never knew. You're using your money to cover our eyes. Now we are seeing.
So now there's no money. Wow. Pick the soap. So please, wanna help OJ before you go red for him.
Before you go red for him.
Thank you very much on top of Yan. So from here now, come on top of Yan. More run, go laugh the laugh. Wanna laugh proper.
Proper laugh the laugh.
All right, so not go anywhere. We is coming back. Chapley.
Staple.
Cachorro curtindo alto som. Não, peraí.
Liza.
If they leave that dog, he go soon raise his hand like this. Say, man.
You know what I said that dog they sing? Thank God it's Friday. Yeah. We're gonna party. Yeah. As the dog, I will party. And you know say the music they come for that motor. Say groove it on. Yeah. Now one step forward. Yeah. He can go like tell them thank God it's Friday.
If the woman dog like your turn, you say, hey, twerk it. You understand me?
Oh my God.
But everybody they happy.
Every living thing.
Thank God it's Friday. Thank God for life.
If dog go fit dance because today na Friday.
Oh my brother.
I wonder wetin you.
What shall you do?
You human being.
Yes.
Today na Friday.
While I'm not doing this life, you understand? Free yourself.
Yeah.
Be happy.
Like
rejoice.
like
go my blood.
That's
Brother. You understand? So if a dog can be happy like Lucky Chai talk,
brotherly,
why can't you?
Why can't you?
So laugh now.
Laugh.
Jump up.
Run around.
Run. Be happy.
Do it.
Do it.
Now.
Scatter your dada. Do anyhow.
Yes.
Do anyhow.
Yes.
You need that.
Yes.
You need that.
Maybe the pastor he go good though. And I did that for you.
And
we go make a move.
The way we take make like
this evening.
No, we'll do next year. I got that plan this year. All right, so thank you everybody. We're not just on the show today. Big thank you to my guy Lucky Child.
Yeah,
don't follow us run the whole parole today. Sharply. Anybody who want to follow us, want to follow us, do things on top Twitter, just go Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Reach there, give us your own gist, give us your own yarns, and then tell us what you would like do for today. Will be Friday like this. God bless everybody. Una bye. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.